and gentlemen. Tuko wapi leo? Tuko kabete. Model number 3. Hey, shoot it. Tiki. Model number 6. Sasa. In Kabete University, ladies and gentlemen. Skiza sasa. Say what? DJ Sonny. Bona unaniwacha. Unaendea Maria. Big up Professor Ngota. Are you ready now? This is DJ Sonny, and this is Creative Wear, ladies and gentlemen. Professor Oscar, I have seen you there. King Josamba, big up my big guys. It is Creative Wear. Ladies and gentlemen, today, the best polytechnic in the nation, Polytechnic 001. Listen now, good people. Take it. African woman, with skin tone, my woman. This is DJ Sonny, African brown woman. Now how about you go Kabete, ladies and gentlemen, model number 8. Model number 8. So hard she a heart. I'm a hard Matowi. Think you the head of the house. She about more than the whole plan. Everything so nice. In a Sonny mix. Are you ready for the next one? Mr. Terry. Big up Sana. On the bed there, Mheshimiwa. Karibu sana. Are you ready now? Let's go. Modeling number 9. Karibu sana. Hey. Manze, ndio siwe ni mnoma. So kabla tupeleke kwa Gengeton, bosi unasemaje? We, tuko na kitu inaitwa cultural dances. Huyo ni Makatilili. Acha atembee karibu na mbuzi ndio atajua. Who is the goat? Model number 1 in a DJ Sony mix. Let's go. Hey. Remember, it's still creative wear. Sexy love what she need from my bad what I need. Yeah. Sexy kisses the thing that she ain't from my lips. Yeah. Sexy is the only air that she breathes. And when I look into her eyes, I know that she can never get enough of me. Your body highly like me. When we do it, steps my skin. And as the rush they increase, I feel the drip in her young. Shorty say she feeling so. She grab my neck and she whisper please. Shorty give me that splash from my chest to my knees. Model number 1, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Kabete National Polytechnic. And now, ladies and gentlemen, coming on stage, model number 2. Model number 2 na gunia yake moja safi. Anaingia pale. Baka viatu. Hey! 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 DJ Sony. Anaingia pale na gunia yake moja. Wewe. Mimi sijaona gunia unasema. Hii ni nini? Hii si gunia. Hii si ni gunia imeomoka. Okay. Hii ni gunia imeomoka kidogo. DJ Sony in the building. Listen now. Hey. Ikikubamba unaidansi ukiwa mahali huko jameni. Kama kuna mtu pia unamwimbia. This is model number 2. Asante sana. Tuko Kabete National Polytechnic. Now this is creative way, I'm telling you. Anaitwa DJ Sony. Alright. Anaingia sasa ni model number 3. Ametengeneza mpaka tie na cottons. Hey, man guys. Model number 3. Huyu ni mtu amefanya modeling mpaka nchi za nje. Huyu amekuwa Ukraine akarudi. DJ Sony. Asante sana. Coming on stage. Coming on stage right now. That is Tag. Coming on stage. Usiamuke bro. Tag number 4. Tag number 4 sijui amevaa kama nani. Hey. Hey. Kama ni kali ipe nuru. Hii ni gani hii sijaelewa hii. Hii ni mixture. Haijapiga kishaki. Hii huwezi jua kama ni chai ya maziwa ama ni strongi. Sikiza sasa. Unaimba pole pole. Kama uko na mtu unamwimbia Wamemaliza, nafikiri judges walikuwa wamesema wakimaliza they are all going to do one more round pamoja. So Mr. DJ wachezee hiyo ngoma wakiendelea kuingia. Then we have all the models line up here for the judges to make their